Now let me tell you one thing. The government is not ready to discuss on any of the bills which had been placed in the parliament earlier. They had bulldozed the farm bill. They don't want to discuss on COVID situation. Now regarding this particular issue, Pegasus, this is a very serious issue. You see, there are two aspects of the entire matter. One is the debate in the parliament, the discussion in the parliament, which the Trinamool Congress had been agitating along with the other opposition, and where the Trinamool Congress and the other opposition parties, they want the presence of the Prime Minister, and the Home Minister should make a specific statement in the floor of the House, which the government is not agreeing to. The second aspect is, you see, the aspect of probe. Now, it is more or less clear, it is absolutely clear that the government had purchased this particular software from the Israeli military company. They had purchased this particular software because there is no specific denial on the part of the government that no, we had not purchased this military spyware. They have never said, the government have never come up with this clear answer. So when they have purchased this particular spyware, let them come and say that why they have purchased it. And if they have purchased it, for what reason they have purchased it, and on whom they have used it. Let them come up and say. Otherwise, let them agree for a probe. Because now it is absolutely clear that they did purchase this particular
these things,
spyware,
Syed Zafar Islam, globally,
and
if you go back in history,
the government is not denying.
These things have a way of unraveling. Whether it's the Bofors charges in the beginning, Rajiv Gandhi tried to just, pepper over them, thought they'd go away. It kind of kept building, not just in India, but internationally. That's the way it's been. Is the government running a big risk by trying to make it seem as if it's a non-issue when America, Israel, France and others have already started probing? You don't know what will come out of those probes. The opposition has been asking you a very direct and straight question. Did you or did you not use Pegasus? The government hasn't so far given a straight answer. You're saying you've done no illegal surveillance, which is not to say, no, we don't use Pegasus. Now, once again, Bishwajit Dev, you've spoken. I'm coming back to you because now the matter is going to the Supreme Court, where the judges will take a call. Multiple pleas have been filed before them, and there could be an investigation, and then it may seem that the government was trying to avoid an investigation and the SC's ordered that investigation. Is that a risk you're running?
Not at all, Rahul. On the contrary, it is the opposition parties, they are not keen or interested in any kind of discussion, debate on any issues. So I will not accept whatever TMC spokesperson, or for that matter, Supriya is saying, because I would want them to see the conduct of their own people. They do not allow anyone to speak. They are just disrupting it.
No, let's come on the issue of a probe. No, once again, let's leave the discussion on the side for a moment. No, Syed Zafar Islam, given the fact that such charges have been leveled, given the fact that Israel, the US, France have ordered an investigation, why does the government not want to know whether or not such snooping took place? Is that not a basic fact that you should try and establish? If you didn't do the investigation, then you should come out and do a probe to prove that it didn't happen. If somebody else who's a private party did it, let's find out who that private party is. Why is the government not accepting the need for an investigation? Respond to Bishwajit Dev.
So, Rahul, what is USA doing, what is China doing, what is France is doing cannot be dictated what we should be doing. There is a democratic process for every discussion. And that is that the platform for all the discussion democratically to take place is the floor of the parliament, where we are inviting everyone. Please come and have discussion. Please discuss issues, whatever it is you want to discuss. Please discuss in BSc. As I said earlier, discuss in BSc. Agree on issues, be it Pegasus or for that matter any issues. But it is BSc where they determine what issues needs to be discussed and how much time to be allocated. But these people are not interested. They keep telling us that we do not want the parliament to function.
In the floor of the House, denying that the government of India did
Rahul,
not purchase.
can I please come in?
Did not purchase this British
Rahul?
spyware.
No, but Bishwajit,
Let them make a specific statement in the floor of the House.
But that
Rahul, can I please
Let them
come
make
in?
a
One second.
denial.
Can I please come in, Rahul?
All faders down. I cannot moderate a discussion in this fashion. I will not allow this to turn into a banana republic. We'll try and lift the quality of the conversation and hope that our panelists win through the power of the argument, not through the noise that they make. Supriya Srinath, Zafar